Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Sovereign Citizen Tries This Every Traffic Stop, Never Ends Well.
On December 8, 2025, an officer observed a vehicle traveling on a highway displaying what appeared to be fictitious registration plates, including an exempt plate in the rear window, with no valid registration visible. The driver was believed to have a suspended driver's license, an active warrant, and was known to identify himself as a sovereign citizen. The officer conducted a traffic stop.
Can you roll your window down? Thank you so much. So the reason I pulled you over is your plates. I'm not able to get them to come back or anything. May I take it so I can see it? Is that okay?
Some bullshit paperwork.
Okay, can I see the paper you were trying to let me see? Is that okay?
Anything about me or anything about this car or anything about what's going on?
I don't know. What's with the car?
Should tell you people what's
Okay.
going on.
What's going on with the car?
$30 million lien. Now,
Okay.
if I'm not on my way to get breakfast in 5 minutes, I'll give this to you. And you can check it out.
Okay.
But then you can do what you want.
Okay.
I'm not getting out of this car.
Okay.
And you can throw any paperwork you want, but then
Okay. I didn't ask you to get out of the car though, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm trying. You know what?
I'm sorry, I haven't met you before, so I don't know what you're
I know.
what
I've
you
been dealing with this for 5 years.
Okay.
I have every piece of paper known to man
Okay.
that shows that nobody has jurisdiction over me.
Okay.
So here.
Am I able to see that? Thank you so much.
That's what I'm a credit.
Okay.
You own the Village of Fox City and your police department.
Okay.
$30 million. So,
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so that's what's going on. I'm so tired of this.
Right.
I know my rights. I know exactly what I've done for 3 years. Now that
Okay.
number that you see.
Okay.
In fact, here, let me give you that too, because here you go.
Is your name Leon? I just want to make sure I've got the right. It's the highlight. Okay. Okay.
This is what that number means. You see this number? That's now you.
What number?
You said that number this number that you're talking about is this man that I gave on this date.
Okay.
Told him my jurisdiction.
This person?
No.
Sorry.
This is the tracking number.
Oh, I gotcha.
That's the tracking number.
Okay.
So now that you asked me,
Okay.
now this is what you're dealing with.
I don't know those people. I'm sorry.
Here you go. And that's
Thank
what
you.
that number means. 'Cause
Thank
they
you.
were told it was their duty and obligation to tell everybody who I was. And they haven't. They threw me in jail for 18 days. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not happy.
In 18 days in Lake County?
In Kenosha. They have
In Kenosha.
a $30 million lien too. You want to see more? I'm sorry. I never wanted this interaction. These are all the $30 million liens I have. Okay.
That's a lot.
Well, and you know what? You know what?
Do you live in Colorado
You
then?
can't get liens like that on bogus stuff.
Okay. Do you live in Colorado? Because I see it all says Colorado.
I gotta get going, so please go check it out. Let's get out of here. Or arrest me. Do what you gotta do.
Okay. Do you have any type of identification or a name or anything?
Let's go find out who I am.
Okay.
Oh, here. You know what? I'm sorry. I'll
It's okay.
calm down, okay?
I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
You better
You've
know
been very cordial so far.
jurisdiction is. That's the problem.
Okay.
Here's the laws are up here right now.
Okay.
Go see me. Everybody knows about it, including the governor on Friday.
Okay.
So these are the laws. You can just look at them. Or you want to take a picture?
Oh.
Okay. but
Okay.
these are the
Well,
laws.
I can look up the laws. That's not an issue. Okay. Do you have insurance on the car at all or no?
Actually-
Like car insurance? Sorry. That's what I meant.
You know what? And now that you ask me, I'm also indemnified. This is
Okay.
beyond any. This is beyond insurance companies. Okay.
Okay.
There.
May I have that?
That's who I am. Yes, that's my American State National Credential.
Okay.
Now you might want to read this part. It says, "Do not detain and do not interrogate."
Okay, thank you so
Unless
much.
have an injured party.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm sorry. I'm trying to calm down.
Give me 1 second, okay? Here's this. I'm gonna.
Here, this is what I went through in 24. Okay.
Okay.
Nicholas. And he's
With Nicholas?
Well, whatever his last.
Oh, I see. Alapajanis. We have a few Nicholases. That's why. You can have that backpack.
Yeah. You know?
Okay.
So I've already been through it. Everybody's in default.
Okay.
Times everybody. I'm talking 100% everybody I've interacted with about this stuff. Okay?
I hear you. I hear what you're saying.
I hope so.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be right back, okay?
Well, you know what? I'm going to call the sheriff here in a minute, so.
Okay. Can you just give me 1 second and I'll come back and talk to you?
You know what? I'm calling them.
Okay.
That's my rights. I mean,
Okay. Totally understandable. If you're what?
I'm calling the sheriff to take care of you people, okay? To tell you
Okay.
who I am.
Can you just give me 1 second? Is that okay?
Okay.
Can you just hang on for 1 second for me? Thank you so much.
The officer requested a sergeant and additional units in anticipation of possible resistance.
Will not roll the window down at all?
You know what I must say? She has done a fantastic job. I mean, honestly, dealing with this guy, he's, you know, whatever he believes in is whatever he believes in. But for her to stay in frame, controlled, the soft tone, listen, ladies, I'm telling you, that soft feminine tone to a man will get a man to calm down. Now this guy is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, but by the end of their interaction, he wasn't as loud and rah-rah as he was before. She has done a fantastic job, and that was the soft side and all that stuff. But now it's time to get to the action, okay? Because you ain't got the right credentials. Whatever paperwork you talking about, nah. That don't fly around here. So now you better start producing some real paperwork, some real documents, or they gonna have to get you together.
Not roll the window down at all?
He did on that side.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Gang. I need you to turn your car off and step out. Why not?
Did you call the sheriff?
I need you to step out. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car.
Do you have an injured party?
Pennsylvania versus Mims, get out of the car now or I'm gonna take you out.
Get out of the car. Hey, Leon. Leon.
Call the sheriff.
Leon, do not put your car in drive. Get out of the car.
You're under arrest, okay? Step out of the car. I'll let you make as many calls at our police department. Step out of the car, you're under arrest.
I demand the sheriff. I don't know.
Oh yeah, they about to get you together.
Do you have 3 pieces of identification?
I'm gonna break
You ain't
your window,
acting
okay,
right,
sir. I don't want to do that. I need you to step out of the car.
We'll call the sheriff at the station.
I need the sheriff here. Then I'll talk.
We'll call him at the station, but you need to get out. We can't do that out here.
Oh, is this the sheriff's office? I need the sheriff right now. I need the sheriff right now. I want to.
Sir, step out.
I'm not saying anything more. I want the sheriff.
Okay, step out of the vehicle. You don't have to say anything.
I need the sheriff right now.
I don't understand these
Leon,
sovereign citizens.
You're under arrest. I want to make this as quick as possible for you.
I need the sheriff.
Step out of the car, or I'm going to break your window.
I need the sheriff.
You do not want me to break your window.
No, I don't. I want you to pick the
I want you to step out of the car. If you, listen,
I got
I'm giving you multiple.
4 Fox Lake police officers here.
Leon?
I don't know who they are. I need a sheriff.
You just said it.
State Park Road and State Park Road and Route 12.
Leon, I'm going to break your window.
Because they're ready to break the window. They all have guns. My life is threatened. I demand a sheriff. Right
Leon,
now.
Leon,
My life is threatened.
Unlock the door.
With guns. Right now. I'm over on
I got it.
State Park Road, just off of
Leon, come on, man.
I can take this
I'm
down
on State Park Road, just off the
because it's down some.
State Park
You
and
can
12.
pull it down?
The squad cars.
Go for it.
Okay, you're wrecking my car. You're wrecking my
Jesus.
car.
You got it.
Okay.
Go.
You're wrecking my car.
No, stop.
Leon, open the door.
Open the door, brother.
You're under arrest. Just deal with it. Act like an adult.
Come on.
Now, they're actually breaking my car.
Hey, did this happen last time, Leon? Come on.
The cops. The police. Fox Lake police.
Hey!
Whoa.
Get out of here.
He's got his foot on the gas. Get your arm out.
Get out of the car.
Thank you.
Get the police here, sheriff, now. They just assaulted me. Just assaulted me.
It's not unlocking.
I'm glad this is all. Are your cameras on?
Right here.
Oh, great.
Hey,
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
stop reaching around.
Oh, yeah, you guys just looking for some reason to shoot me, I'm sure.
No, we're not. We're trying to take you into custody. We told you multiple times you're under arrest, Leon.
I need either a council law here an actual
It's not
council of law
I think
or
you
a
should turn the
sheriff.
car off. So
Council
the
of
electronic
law.
isn't working.
Don't
Damn,
leave
what's
my
up with that
hands.
door?
You're in my vehicle. You're in my
Yeah,
property.
rightfully so.
No, you're not. You're not rightfully. I need a sheriff. The cops are.
Pull the left towards the station.
I'm not resisting.
Yeah, you are.
100%.
Am I under arrest?
Yes. I told you.
Told.
How many people it take to get the door open? What's going on here?
Step out of the car.
Okay.
Hands on your back. Don't tense them up. Turn around. Who's got cuffs?
I got
Don't grab my hand. Don't grab my hand.
I need to spit.
I can't.
Well,
You say you need
just
to spit?
wait and we'll let you spit on the ground.
I don't want to
Spit on your car, don't spit on us. Otherwise, we're
I'm not
putting
gonna
a...
spit on you. I just need
Okay.
to spit.
Okay.
All the time.
Well,
Let go of my thumb, please.
Well, you know what?
Leon, thank you.
Okay, I hope you guys. All right.
Yes, it's all being recorded.
The yellow button is the devil.
So you denied me a sheriff? You denied American State National a sheriff?
Stop.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, or hurt me, Leon?
You know what? No, I don't.
Okay.
And all that paperwork goes with me. Every bit of it. And that's everything I have to say right there. So all that, I'm going to grab all that stuff and I'm taking it with me.
We'll grab it for you.
I'm going to tell you which ones to grab.
See, I never understand these sovereign citizens, man. They're going to do everything in their power to not get the proper documents to drive on the road. They're going to make up all this BS paperwork that they just typed up on Google Word or whatever, or what's they call it in Microsoft Word and all of that. They going to do all of that, but not go down DMV, get your driver's license, well, get your permit, then get your driver's license, get your registration together, get some insurance on the vehicle, like everybody else that drives on the road. These sovereign citizens, man, these guys live in their own little bubble. And every time they get stopped, the same thing happens. How difficult is it for you to just have proper documentation for you to drive on the road?
But I'll make sure.
Well,
You know
just
what?
grab
What are
that.
you doing? That's my money.
Searching you.
You got my paperwork. You're in default. Come to think of it, I just recognized your name.
Back here,
I
Leon.
come right here, okay?
Well, this is going to happen again, but now it's 30 million. Sorry. Hey, wait a minute. I got to get that
Stop.
paperwork. I have to get that
We'll
paperwork.
grab it.
No, I need the. All right, the big folder
Get
and
in.
the small folder on the seat.
Okay.
Get in.
Before I
Get
get in,
in.
can I see
No.
Leon, get in the car.
Because we're gonna catalog
leg.
every piece that's in there that I tried to offer you.
We're going to photograph everything.
Oh, good. That's great.
Man, that's a little tight
All my
back there, ain't it?
Watch your leg.
Well, everything that's in the car.
Leon,
I need that paperwork now. That's
Thank
my.
you.
That's my.
watch your face.
And then there's a smaller folder on the seat, please.
Okay. So we got your
Do you
phone.
want your passport also? I grabbed the ID that you had with your paperwork, but do you want your passport as well? It's in there?
Yeah, please.
Okay. I'm going to put it in the big black binder. It's with your phone, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
The man was charged with driving with a suspended license, operating an uninsured motor vehicle, resisting arrest, obstruction, 2 counts of aggravated battery to a police officer, and possession of fictitious plates.
The typical sovereign citizen charges. Can't make this stuff up, man. They did a great job. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.